Hello friends, this is Dilpreet Singh here, and today I am to going discuss on a very important topic, which is how to become an area business manager from a medical rep role. To keep this video very simple and precise, I will be dividing the video into four different parts. Friends, area manager is a team management role, and from coming working in an individual role as a medical rep and moving towards the area business manager role, where you have to handle 4 to 5 medical reps, a lot of efforts are required, and a different kind of approach is required. For that, I'll be simplifying this video into four simple steps. Number one point is how you build a strong performance record. So, friends, wherever you are working as a medical rep in Indian pharmaceutical industry, on an average, if you see, maximum 4 to 5 years, you can be a medical rep. After that, you have to work on becoming an area manager. For that, the number one point which will be taken into consideration is your performance track record. So you have to ensure that you are working on a very strong 100% performance record. I myself has worked for 2 years as in Sanofi as a medical representative, and all the 24 months I was on 100% performance. So it was very easy for me to move to the next role when I became an area business manager in 2 years and 5 months of my career when I started my career. You have to ensure that you are having a strong connect with all the top doctors so that the conversions are happening gradually, and gradually you're moving towards your performance and try to achieve more than 100, which will help you in long term to be very much sustainable, and you can come up as a projection in the meetings and people can see that this person is a very strong performer. Moving to the next point is you have to develop very strong leadership skills. Friends, leadership skills, developing leadership skill, my first point in this would be you should always take a feedback from your area manager, regional manager and zonal manager on what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. This will help you to work on the points which your manager is giving to you. Always have a positive approach. Secondly, whenever you are working in a team, try to help people. Try to ensure that you are the senior rep who's helping the other colleagues and is very positive and having a very team building approach. So you have to take that the team, you have to build the team very strongly. Obviously it is a role and responsibility of an area manager, but when you start doing all these things, you come into picture, you come into limelight, and people could see that you are demonstrating the leadership skills whenever it is not required still. So you say when you're working more than what is required, you will definitely get on more than what you deserve. Friends, one more point where you have to work very strongly is your analytical skills. You have to very strongly analyze your reports. You have to ensure that you are having a very strong analysis of how the brands are performing, how are the doctors prescribing, what is the trend of secondary, what is the trend of closing, why some places the stock is on a higher side. So the analytical skills has to be developed. How can you develop this is you have to constantly talk with your managers, with your regional managers, zonal managers, so that you can understand on what are the points which are used to required to analyze the reports. The next point is communication and presentation. Friends, I have so many examples in industry where there are so many brilliant medical reps working, but unfortunately because of not speaking English, they are not able to grow in their career. So communication and simple English is very, very important point where you have to be very precise and you have to learn it very strongly. The third point for becoming an area manager is upskilling yourself. I'll divide this upskilling into four other points. The first point is you have to attend training programs. So that could be from the third party pharma companies, or you might be having some training programs to develop yourself in your company and organization as well. So definitely attend those programs, take it very seriously, note out the points or where you have to work to grow in your career. Point two would be going through the vlogs or the channels like mine, where you can learn and understand from the people who have already grown in the field, so that you have a better idea on how to do and how to go ahead. My third point would be to do a part-time or a distance MBA. See, this will play a very key important role specifically for the MNCs. So an MBA would every time and always be a plus point. Once you become an area manager, it will help you to become an area manager. So if there are two people who are in the race of becoming an area manager, yes, MBA degree will definitely make a difference. You do not need to do full-time MBA. You can go for a distance learning or a part-time MBA. My fourth point would be networking internally. So friends, networking is one of the strongest point because of which you can grow in the industry. And understand that networking is not only internal but also external. You have to be very close to and network strongly with your ABM, RBM, ZBM, but not only from your divisions, from other divisions, from outside the company, from the other companies. This will help you to understand and grow their perspective. Always try to learn from everyone. And secondly, this networking should also not limit to the sales people, but yes, to the HR, to the admin, and also to the training department. These people will help you to understand things better, and you will also be able to guide the new medical reps who are coming in and who will be starting their career in your team. So this will also help you to get a completely different perspective as a leader. Though you are a medical rep, but you will be able to assist people, and that will add up to your feathers. Also, be always ready to relocate yourself. Most of the people are not very mobile, and they want to grow or become area manager in the place where they are staying. So this will somehow create a hindrance. Try to go to different places, and if you're going to get to another state to become area manager, my suggestion would be definitely go there. Learn from different people. You will move out of your comfort zone, and long term it will really very help you. Also, friend, I would also suggest always find a mentor in pharmaceutical industry. In today's time, things are very difficult, and you always need to have a coach or a guide. This will help you to grow faster in your career. So from friends, that's all from today's video. If you like this video and you find it insightful, please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, if you find that any particular topic where you want that I should make a video, please do comment on the comment section. Thank you.